2020 has been quite a miserable year, hasn't it? We've had COVID, we've had lockdowns, and perhaps like me you feel somewhat isolated from your family, your friends, the people you love. And I'm sure at Christmas time you're looking forward to celebrating with your family members, with your friends, with the people that you love. Well, this Christmas I'm sure we'll all be celebrating plenty of things. We'll be celebrating our health, we're going to be celebrating our friends and family, and perhaps you love those festive decorations and the food and the drink and being merry together. But along with all those things, we as a church are going to be celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ. Now you might be asking the question, why on earth are a group of people celebrating the birth of a man who lived over 2,000 years ago to a poor family in Bethlehem? What has that got to do with us? You might even be asking the question, why is he still on Christmas cards? Why do we still have the nativity scenes? Why do we still sing carols about him? Why do we remember him at all? Well, we hope that you'll join us this Christmas to follow along with us on 6 short videos where we'll discuss why Christmas matters to us, why Jesus matters to us. And what we'll be looking at and hopefully answering the question of is, what is the story behind Christmas?